Hello YouTube, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something very special for those retro gamers out there. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to live stream to Twitch, Kick, YouTube, or whichever platform your heart desires directly from a PS1 and or a PS2. Now don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys what it is that you need in order to stream from your PS2 or your PS1 to Twitch, Kick, YouTube, whatever. Alright, so first and foremost, of course, you're going to need your console, obviously. You're also going to need a capture card, whether it is the HD60X or the HD60S. Today I'm going to be using the HD60S. Also, you're going to need a PS2 to HDMI converter. Now, what I have here is the Hyperkin. Honestly, this one right here, best bang for your buck if you're shopping on a budget. Now, they do have others. They do have other better ones, but just know you will be spending about $100 or better. They do have one called the Retro Tink, which will definitely upscale your PS2, 4K, 2K, whatever you're looking for. They're pretty pricey, but they're definitely worth it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to set all of this up so you can stream. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys how to set everything up on the OBS side of things. Alright, so first what you want to do is you want to set up your capture card. You want to plug your capture card into your PC. Now, I said this last video and I'm going to say it again. If you're going to plug your capture card to your PC, it is best that you plug it to the USB 3.0 port. If you do not know what the USB 3.0 port is, it'll be a blue USB port in the back of your PC, front of your PC, whatever. Although I do recommend always plug to the back. They also come in the color red, so look for those blue and red USB ports and you're good to go. Alright, once you have your HD60S or X plugged in, whatever capture card you're using, what you're going to want to do is, with the converter, we're going to want to set this up. Now, with the Hyperkin, what you're going to want to do is, one side of the wire is going to go into your HDMI. Alright, so what you're going to do is get the capture card, and you're going to plug it into HDMI in. Boom. Nice and easy. Now, on the converter, you also have a power cable. Real simple. You can just take this USB power cable, simply plug it right into your console. That'll be enough power to supply. Alright, now finally, you're going to want to take the PS2 end of the wire, and of course, you're going to want to plug that into your PS2. So I'm going to plug that into the back of my PS2. Boom. And that's pretty much all there is to it when setting this up and connecting it to your PC. So now we're going to switch over to OBS so that I can show you guys how to set it up via OBS so you can start on your streaming journey with this retro bad boy. Let's go. Alright, so once you're on your PC and you open up your OBS, what you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom left where it says scenes, go down to the plus sign right here, and you're going to add your scene. Now, you can name your scene whatever you like, capture card, PS2 stream, whatever you like. You're going to create that scene. Once that scene is created, you're going to go over to the right where it says sources. You're going to go down to this plus sign right here, and you're going to add your source, which is the capture card. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to video capture device. Once you got video capture device selected, you can name your capture device or you can leave it as is, and you hit OK. Once you hit OK, you're going to be greeted with this window. Just make sure under device you select your capture card. That way you can display your PS2. Alright, so if you guys followed the instructions, you should look something like this. Boom. And that's all there is to it. Now, there is something I do want to explain. A lot of times when you do this for the first time, your screen, your PS2 screen may display with like a green tint. I'm going to show you guys right now how to fix that so you can get the actual colors that you need on your screen. Alright. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your PS2, of course, and you're going to go down to System Configuration. Then you're going to scroll down 2 times. Oops, sorry, 3 times. Oh, 4 times. 5 times. I must have misclicked or whatever. You're going to go down to Component Video Out. And you're going to make sure, usually what I mean by the green tint, it may look like this. You're going to want to switch this option at System Configuration to RGB. Once you do that, you should have a beautiful image and the perfect colors that you need for your PS2. So that's about it for today's tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, I love and I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. I hope this video was useful for you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Much love to everybody and happy gaming. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Now let's get into it.